Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from your watch. So let's get started. And we can uninstall applications from our watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to use the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And I recommend the Connect IQ Store, but I'm gonna show you both of them. So to do it directly on the watch, you press the Start button to open the Activities menu, scroll down and look for the icon of the app you want to remove, because usually when you install some applications, the icons will appear right here in this menu, and you can find the icon you want to remove, then press and hold the up button, then scroll down and look for the option called Delete from Device. Tap on it, press the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. And if you want to use the Connect IQ Store, you open the app, tap on device icon, tap on My Device Apps, and here you can select the app you want to remove. Tap on More Options icon in top right corner, tap on Uninstall, tap on Uninstall. And then you can close the application. And that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.